Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I'm going to show you how to change the layout direction of your phone to start from the right to the left. Normally it starts from the left to the right. As you can see, everything is starting from the left to the right. So I'm going to show you how to change everything on your phone to start from the right to the left. So you go to your settings, go to your system. Under the system, you find your developer option. If you didn't see your developer option, just go to your about device, scroll down to your build number, you tap it, keep on tapping until it tells you that developer option has been enabled. As you can see mine there. So you go back, enter developer option, scroll down until you see force the screen to be laid out from right to left. This, then you check in the box. You can see everything is now from right to left. So that's all about it. It's fun. You can see my music now. It's from my right to my left. Trust me, it will be fun. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.